Hey, what's up guys, how's it going? It's Scudder85 back with another unboxing, and yeah, as you can see I bought a Nintendo Switch. So I got the neon version. So so yeah, with it I bought Mario Odyssey, and I've also gone and got Super Mario Kart 8 Deluxe. So yeah, really looking forward to playing this. So yeah, pretty much between this and Zelda, pretty much one game of the year for most people. So, but as you can see, it's Mario on the front and Cappy. So there's the side, and there's the back. Please focus. There you go. So it says all that. Now I don't know about like um, anybody else, but to be honest, for me, the Switch I'll mainly be using in portable mode rather than on the TV. So, and then inside we have not a lot. We have the game cart, and then I believe these are the lyrics to the song. So yeah, that's my rather quick unboxing of Super Mario Odyssey on the Nintendo Switch, guys. If you like this, please do be sure to check out my other videos, but for now, I'll talk to you later. Cheers, bye bye.